How to fix the Viber not sending pictures. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this very problem in Viber. So let's see by opening our Viber. Just long press on your Viber from outside, and after you do that, you will see the eye icon on the top right side. Just tap on this and make sure you have give permission to everything on your Viber, like contacts, phone number, camera, and everything. So if you have given and the problem is still not solved, then just tap on storage and tap on clear data and clear cache. After you do that, the next thing that you need to do is install your Viber from the very phone. After you uninstall it, go on the Google Play Store. After you go on the Google Play Store, on the top search bar, you can simply search for Viber and install it again. So after installing and opening it again, your problem should be solved. So that's how you can solve the very problem of Viber, your photos not being uploaded. If it's still the problem, then maybe the storage on your device is very low, so you need to uninstall some of the apps and very photos and other things to clear out your storage, and then install the Viber and see if it works or not. And if it still also does not work, then there is the hardware problem on your device, so you need to check your device to respective place. So that's how you can solve the problem. I hope you like your video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you.